Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about why your neck might hurt after sitting and playing the piano for a long period of time. This is a super common problem that I used to suffer from, but it's totally avoidable. So let's get into it. Okay, so there's two basic reasons why your neck might hurt after playing the piano for an extended period of time. And the two basic things are, one, we're sitting at the piano and my back is nice and straight, so I have good posture, but my neck and head are tipped down like this. What this does is it fixes these muscles in the back of my neck into an extended sort of state where they're lengthening so that my head can come down, but now they have to hold and support all that weight for a very long period of time. That's going to create a tremendous amount of tension in these muscles in the back of my neck, and so we want to avoid that as much as we can. The second thing that happens is that we can kind of lean forwards, collapse the shoulders in, and these muscles kind of between my shoulder blades now have to work tremendously hard. And I actually used to do this a lot, especially when learning new music, because I'm trying to focus in on the notes, etc. And that really does the same thing. It's causing tension in different muscles, as well as these muscles, of course, but that will cause a tremendous amount of pain, not just in the neck, but actually in the upper back. So what we want to do to avoid that is we want to actually make sure that we're sitting up nice and straight. So we have good posture, but we also want to make sure that our neck has good posture. So I always want to make sure that my head is balanced on my neck, and it's almost like I'm looking up, not quite up, more just straight across. And I can look down, but notice that I'm not tilting my head down to the keyboard, and my eyes are just looking down there. Now, obviously it's okay to look down sometimes, but we want to make sure that our head or our neck is not in a fixed position for a long time, because that's what causes the problem. So trying to maintain good posture all the time as much as you can, and then occasionally looking down is really important. Another thing, of course, that can be helpful if you're in a habit of tipping your neck down like that is actually set a timer for every 10 minutes and then get up and just stretch. And you can simply stretch by just letting the head sort of fall back and just kind of feel that stretch, okay? You can stretch your neck to the side, to the other side, and you might find actually that this alleviates a lot of tension, and this can be helpful as you sort of try to regain good neck and head posture, if you will. So these are some pretty basic concepts, but I think they help a lot. In the past, I suffered from a lot of shoulder and neck tension because of these very things, and it caused a lot of problems just generally in playing, not just in the neck, but also these muscles in my arm attach, and they can kind of get stiff and tight because these other muscles are tight. So it's a super important concept. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't already done so, consider subscribing. We post new videos every single week, and we'd love to have you be part of the community. That's it for this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.